Hey there, Tiffany Jamison here, back with another rad boost, and we're just talking about pain, problems, and profits. Now, prospects will pay attention to problems and not solutions because solving a problem allows you to speak confidently about the value you offer and demonstrate that value to a buyer. Most people throw around the term value without understanding this principle. It's only value if it can be used beyond just the immediate feel good it brings. Value, by definition, must be of use and measurable. So how can you tell them about value when you don't know the problem that you're solving? You can't measure empowerment, but you can measure and therefore demonstrate the value of your product or service or offer. For example, your child winning the beauty pageant because she no longer has a stutter in the interview portion because of your guide, How to Crush the Interview section of your beauty pageant manual, right? Or a husband giving a bring the house down wedding toast to a wife where he couldn't speak before because of the groom's guide to a romantically epic toast even when he hates to speak in public. Another example would be a couple who finally explore sexual lifestyle alternatives together rather than get divorced because of the divorce-proof your marriage through sexual alternative guide. So do you see? Solve problems and make money. It can always be measured. If you want to discover how a frustrated, pissed off ebook author turned her $7 ebook into a $1,700 guide that sells like crazy, and keep in mind, nobody was buying the $7 ebook, right? But now she sells it as a $1,700 guide and she didn't change a single word. Then go watch this cool tutorial that I put together for you. The link is below. See you then.